Hi, I'm Ariella Vaccarino, and today on Ariella's Vocal Notes, we're going to do a short vocal warm-up using just the chest voice, and it will be simple and basic. And I am going to pull today from my Volume 1, where it all started, Vocalize and Breathe. That's Volume 1 of Voice Lessons to Go. I'm going to play a few exercises out of that, and I'm going to play it by reading it off of the sheet music transcription book, Vocalize. And here is the music inside. This has the first volume, 4 volumes of my CDs. So we're going to start with number 1. This is simple, especially if you're a starter, a beginner, this will be great. You're going to go down 5 notes. And each time you hit a note, you're going to say the syllable ma. Okay, so let's try it. Ma, 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 ma. Okay, so try it. Ma, 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 ma. Then I take the chord up, and we do it again here. Ma, 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 ma. Take it up, sing. Good, let's go up more. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma. Keep going. Say ma every time. Take a nice low breath. Ma, 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 ma. Let's do one more. And what's great is that if you do have the book that you're playing out of, you can play any of these exercises and then manipulate them however you want. Let's say we wanted to do that exercise faster. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma. It becomes very simple to change it up. You can change the vowel, you can change the syllable you're using. So that's a good, just waking your voice up. I like oftentimes when I'm just starting to sing to go down with my voice. Ma, 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 ma. Almost like a yawn sigh. Ma, when you're making your first sounds in the morning especially. Okay, so let's change the exercise and let's try track 2. So track 2 is still the 5 notes, but we're showing you how it's going to be different. We're going to say ma at the beginning, and then we're going to continue just on ah, and you're going to make it nice and smooth. Ma. That's different than ma, 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 ma. Okay, so let's try it. Keep it real smooth. The word in music for smooth, it's an Italian word, and the word is legato. Okay, so let's keep this nice and legato. Ma. 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 Try it here. I don't want you to feel like you're reaching up for the note. Just get right in front of it and sing it. Come down. I'll join you for this one. Ma, ma. Keep going. Let's do 2 more. Let's see, what would it be like if we did speed this particular exercise up? Let's try it together. Ma, keep going. Ma, 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 keep going. Come down. Ma, ma, check the sound that you're making. Make sure it sounds natural. Ma, ma. It's important when we sing that whatever we sing sounds like how it would sound when we speak. So sometimes when people sing, they'll go like, ma. They'll change their sound. If you were to say ma, ma, in like a speaking way, like my ma is here, that's how you would sing it. Ma, ma. So always always check yourself. Make sure that your singing sounds sound like your speaking sounds. Okay, we'll move on. Let's do exercise 5, jumping ahead. And this is going to be on a different syllable. And it's going to be on we. I use we a lot. I like the W because it's right at the tip of the lips and it helps the sound come right out. We. So think of how you say that. We. Try it a few times. We. You don't want to say we. Right out front. So we're going to go up 5 notes, down 5 notes. Let's do a little slowly. And we're going to say we one time. We. Try it a little lower. We. Going up. We. Keep going. Think we. Coming down. We. Let's do it quickly and see how it's different. We. Keep it moving. You know, on my first CD, there are some exercises that I did do quickly, and I had a couple of people over the years complain about, why am I singing this Vocalize so fast? I don't do it on all of them, I just do it on a few. The reason to go fast sometimes is because when we are going slowly, we're thinking really hard and it's giving our muscles all kinds of time to hold on and try and create a sound, and then we get really tight. Sometimes if we go real quick, we stop thinking about every individual note and we let go and the sound just floods out. So I like to trick myself, go back and forth, sing nice and slow and really pay attention to what I'm doing, and then sometimes just go really quickly through the exercise to have more of a vocal freedom. Okay, so we, you think of it as one thing, we, instead of we. It helps it make it nice and smooth. All right, so last exercise we'll do today is number 7, also off of volume 1. In my book, it's on page 36. So we're gonna stick with we, and we're going to sing a broken major chord, okay? A major chord sounds like this. So we're gonna do it on we. We're gonna say we one time, and we're gonna sing through it. We. And try and keep the we natural the whole time. Let's get a nice low breath. We. Let's go up. We. Continue by yourself. Get we right at the lips. We. Yes, keep it going. We. Low breath. And you might be more comfortable going higher or going lower. I'm trying to stay kind of general right now just to give you an idea of the exercise, and I'm keeping you in chest voice right now. As the girls go up higher, you'll find that you do need to flip over into a head voice to feel comfortable, and different singers need to flip at different points. So I just wanted to do something very basic. You can always do them on my CDs, do them by yourself at the piano, take them as high or as low as you want. Let's try that one quickly. We. Keep it going. We. Two more. We. So that that's 4 basic singing warm-ups that you can work on using your chest voice. If you want to go higher or lower, you can do so on your own. Do it on the piano, do it with my CDs, and take it wherever you are comfortable. As you get higher, you will probably have to switch your voice over into more of a head tone or head voice, and that's wonderful. I just wanted to give you just a general feeling of warming up your chest voice in the morning or before you speak for the day or before you want to go and sing. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can also find me at voicelessons2go.com. That's TOGO.com, and I'm Ariella Vaccarino. Sing well.